Several methods exist for charging customers overhead expenses. One method is markup pricing, where overhead expenses are calculated as a percentage of direct costs, for example, materials and labor. This percentage is then added to the direct costs to determine the selling price. Overhead expenses become a hidden cost within the product or service price. A second method is flat fee or surcharge. A fixed amount or percentage is charged to all customers to cover overhead expenses. This method is transparent and easy to implement, but it may not accurately reflect the varying costs associated with different customers. A third method is variable pricing, where overhead expenses are assigned to specific products or services based on their usage or consumption. Customers pay different amounts depending on the level of overhead expenses incurred on their behalf. This method is fair and ensures that customers pay for the actual costs they incur. A fourth method is cost-plus pricing, where direct costs and overhead expenses are calculated separately. A profit margin is added to the total costs to determine the selling price. This method provides transparency and allows for flexibility in adjusting prices based on market conditions. A fifth method is activity-based costing. Overhead expenses are allocated to different activities within the business. Products or services are then costed based on the activities they consume. This method provides a more precise allocation of overhead expenses and can improve profitability. The choice of method depends on the nature of the business, the target customer base, and the level of overhead expenses. It is important to consider the impact on customer perception, market competitiveness, and the accuracy of cost allocation. Regular review and adjustment of overhead expense calculations are crucial to ensure fairness and profitability. Communicate the method of overhead expense charging to customers transparently. Consider offering discounts or incentives for customers who reduce the overhead costs incurred by the business. Implement cost-saving measures to minimize overhead expenses and improve profitability.